How to delete the comments on your videos on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a comment on TikTok. It's so easy, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your TikTok and go to your profile. For example, this is my profile and I only have one video. Now I'm gonna click on comments. And now I'm gonna first inpin this video, and I'm gonna click on inpin video. Now I'm gonna click on again and click on delete. Now the same with this one, keep clicking on the screen and click on delete. Now I have no comments on this video. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.